have a Makerspace class that we offer here every Thursday, and it's a 45-minute class that incorporates things like 3D printing and robotics and building projects, STEM type projects, and we're able to collaborate. So Ms. Robertson and I work together on the class and get to co-teach, which makes it a really neat, unique experience, and then we get to make the class longer. When Tara told me that we would be getting a 3D printer and Ms. Orff would be, having it in the library space, and suggested that maybe we might want to think about expanding that into, a education grant for some additional supplies. That seemed like a great idea. So Ms. Orff and I worked together to make a plan for what we wanted this year to look like and applied for that grant. As a district, Park Hill has provided a lot of great resources for media centers to use in the district, like a 3D printer and like some robotics things, and the students really love working with those extra materials.
Today in Makerspace class, I made green light.
We did learn about like electricity. That's fun. I like that.
Teaching them basic STEM tech concepts has been fun for them and for us. And some of them will talk about science things that they're interested in and that they want to do, and those maybe weren't conversations that we were having before.
I get to use my imagination more in Makerspace class.
We've also had a chance to have things not work and talk about, what happens when things fail, and kind of every time we try to talk about it as being part of the maker process. Something not working, what went wrong, and we try to process and talk about all of the lessons at the end of class. We try to save a couple minutes at the end to talk about that.
Like about Makerspace, if I did something wrong, I can learn from it.
Before any of this, we didn't have a dedicated STEM learning time at Russell Jones, and so it's really great that they have that now. I think it kind of equalizes things between what some of their peers at other buildings, the opportunities they're having.
Yeah, it makes me happy, excited, and yeah.